Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed guide on how to replace the trigger on your Dyson V10 vacuum cleaner. This process is straightforward but requires attention to detail. Let's get started. Tools you will need: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers or needle nose pliers, a clean, lint-free cloth. Step 1. Prepare your workspace. Before you begin, ensure your workspace is clean and organized. Lay out all your tools within reach. It's important to work in a well-lit area so you can see all components clearly. Step 2. Disconnect the vacuum. Make sure your Dyson V10 is unplugged and completely powered off. Safety is paramount when working with electrical devices. Step 3. Remove the battery. Using the small Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the battery from the vacuum. This is typically located at the bottom of the unit. Set the battery aside in a safe location. Step 4. Access the trigger. Now, locate the screws that hold the trigger in place. Gently use the flathead screwdriver to pry open the casing around the trigger. Be cautious not to damage any clips or tabs in the process. Step 5. Unscrew the trigger. Once you have access to the trigger, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws securing it. Keep these screws in a small container to avoid losing them. Step 6. Clean the internal components. Before installing the new trigger, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use the lint-free cloth to wipe away any dust or debris, ensuring everything is clean and functioning well. Step 7. Install the new trigger. With the area cleaned up, it's time to install the new trigger. Align it correctly and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it moves freely and is not jammed. Step 8. Reassemble the vacuum. Carefully snap the casing back together, ensuring all clips are engaged. Reinstall the battery by screwing it back in place. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about the process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Step 9. Test the trigger. Before putting your vacuum back into regular use, test the trigger to ensure it's working properly. If you notice any issues, double-check your assembly. Step 10. Enjoy your Dyson V10. With the new trigger in place, your Dyson V10 should be fully operational again. If you encounter any problems during this process, or if you're not comfortable performing these tasks, we can help. Our services include pickup and delivery at your home, so you can avoid the hassle of calls and travel. Final note: always remember to quote before repair if you're considering professional help. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.